welcome back to Nappy Missy101. And I'm back again. I've been missing for a while, guys, and I apologize. I haven't been as consistent as I wanted or as I should be, especially to my loyal friends. You know what I'm saying? So, I just want to say, hey, I'm back. Alright, that's enough, right? So, let's just get into it. So, I'm going to show you how I got this hairdo in like less than 5 minutes, guys. Literally. Well, less than 5 minutes if I speed up the video. But anyway, nevertheless, it's very simple and easy to follow. Stay tuned, guys.
As you can see, I am not going to be taking out my mini twist. I am keeping these mini twists in. We're going to need some carrot care, a toothbrush, some hair gel, some bubbles, some bobby pins, and of course your Marley hair, ladies. Hey! So what I'm going to do is I'm going to retwist all around the edges of my hairline, and I'm going to do this by using some carrot care edge control. After that's all done, we're going to just tie up our hair with a bobble, and don't worry about the flyaways. We're just going to pin those up with bobby pins. And then it's time to get out your Marley hair, and because my Marley hair didn't come tied with an elastic band, I'm going to take a bubble that I have and I'm going to attach it onto the Marley hair, the bundle, so that I am able to tie it around my own teeny weeny ponytail. Then I'm going to take this second bundle and I am going to attach the bubble like I did the first one, and I'm going to tie it around my teeny weeny ponytail on the other side. Having it like that wasn't working, so as you can see I turned it, so one's in the back and one's in the front. Then I just flip it over and I'm going to take some hair from the back of the bundle and I'm just going to wrap it right around, as you can see. You want to grab a pin just to secure it and fluff it up. Make sure you can't see your teeny weeny ponytail underneath. Just make it however you wish, and then whatever stragglies or flyaway hair is maybe coming out or feel loose, just pin that down and secure it as I'm doing here. Oh my goodness, look what I found! Some beads, guys. Some like African inspired looking beads. I'm just gonna put these on. Ugh, doesn't it make it look just so authentic and African and just Nubian? I mean, I am just loving it. Now I'm just going to move the beads up towards the center because I want to grab this and make it into a bun / ponytail. And then I'm going to take some hair from behind, and instead of looking for a bubble to fit that big bun, I'm just going to use that piece of hair to wrap around the bun and to secure it. Yes, I'm having difficulties, as you can see. Just play with it a little, guys. Figure out what it is you want. Just be creative.
So this is how I fixed it to wear out today. Because I just want to feel newbie, extra newbie. You know what I'm saying? I just love it. Got my glaze out today. Loving it. When I put on my outfit, oh my gosh, guys, it is going to be bomb. Okay? I got these flickety knots already done. Look at that.